Yes, girl. I tell you. Yeah. I wanna know. I say today result that come out, you know. Yeah, Gsat result come out today. Maybe for my son to come home to ask him which school him pass. Like I know say a Calabar him go. Yeah. I don't look at dirty along the road. I know if you are putting passing nothing good, you know. Cause the whole of them they are down there over and everything.
Jesus is Lord.
Yeah. And I go check her a little more and find out which school she a go. All of them down there, none of them have nothing good. Yeah, I tell you, I'm a big friend.
Nothing? Oh, I want.
Nothing? I just ask you which school your daughter pass her. I just that me ask you.
But I don't say a Queensdale girl. If I tell you.
So wait. So how you know say you're a pitney? I got Queens and the pitney not come from school yet. How you know?
Girl, but you don't say a teacher call me and tell me. Say a Queen she pass pa. Proud of see. So how school your boy pass her?
Oh, my boy? I tell him I know my boy pass the Calabar. I'm head fast. Get it from the family. I'm head fast. I tell you Calabar I'm pass her. I wait till him come home. I got this big celebration over here.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time, Con.
Now that boy I reach home, because I want to know which school I go. I say still a Calabar, I'm going to know that. But when you reach it, I'll call him teacher at school. Hello? Is this Michael teacher? Yes, you let him home already from school because I know I'm gonna see. Long time? So when could I do? You could have did that play with him friend before he come home and go and celebrate the entrance. So which school him pass? I Calabar down. Me a call back. Where is the teacher? Anywhere there, he better stay there, you know? He better than come here because I go and kill him. Yes? Don't have to go transfer this morning. Alright, teacher.